Welcome to another episode of LLMs in the real world. In this episode, we will look at how we can measure if an LLM system is actually working. Imagine you ask an AI system a question. It generates a response. But how do you know if that response is actually good? Sometimes the answer sounds correct, but subtle mistakes may still be hidden inside. Evaluating language model outputs is much harder than evaluating traditional software. Traditional software produces predictable outputs. If the input is the same, the output is always the same. Language models are different. They generate text probabilistically. This means the same question can produce multiple different responses, and many of those responses might be acceptable. For many tasks, there isn't a single correct answer. For example, explaining a concept, writing a summary, providing recommendations. Different answers may all be valid. This makes evaluation much more complex. One of the most reliable ways to evaluate LLM outputs is through human reviewers. Humans can judge accuracy, clarity, usefulness, safety, but human evaluation is slow and expensive, which means teams often need automated evaluation methods. Automated evaluation systems attempt to measure model performance using predefined metrics. Some common metrics include answer accuracy, relevance to the question, faithfulness to retrieved documents, response latency. These metrics help teams monitor how their systems behave at scale. Another common approach is building evaluation datasets. These datasets contain example questions and expected answers. The system is tested against this dataset regularly. If performance improves or declines, teams can quickly detect the change. Every time a model, prompt, or system component changes, performance can shift. Sometimes the change improves results, but sometimes it introduces new problems. Regression testing ensures that updates do not break previously working behavior. Retrieval-augmented systems introduce an additional challenge. Now we must evaluate two separate stages. First, did the system retrieve the correct documents? Second, did the model generate a correct answer using those documents? Both stages must work properly for the final response to be reliable. Real user feedback is one of the most valuable evaluation signals. Users may report incorrect answers, confusing responses, missing information. By collecting and analyzing this feedback, teams can continuously improve their systems. Modern AI systems also require observability. Teams track metrics such as response latency, token usage, failure rates, tool execution success. Monitoring these signals helps detect problems early. Evaluating LLM systems is not a one-time task. It is a continuous process. Teams combine human review, automated metrics, testing datasets, and real user feedback to monitor system performance. Without evaluation, even the most powerful AI system cannot be trusted. Even if an AI system performs well, another challenge quickly appears: cost, latency, and scaling to thousands of users. In the next episode, we'll explore the hidden operational constraints behind real-world LLM systems. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.